السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. This is the continuation of the second hadith, al-hadith al-thani, and this one is the last part of the hadith, inshallah. قال فأخبرني عن الساعة. قال ما المسؤول عنها بأعلم من السائل. قال فأخبرني عن أماراتها. قال أن تلد الأمة ربتها، وأن ترى الحفاة العراة العالة رعاء الشاء يتطاولون في البنيان. ثم انطلق فلبثت مليا، ثم قال يا عمر أتدري من السائل؟ قلت الله ورسوله أعلم. قال فإنه جبريل أتاكم يعلمكم دينكم. رواه مسلم. The meaning of the last part of the hadith, the man proceeded with his questions and interrogation with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said to Prophet, inform me about the hour. Then Prophet responded, ما المسؤول عنها بأعلم من السائل. About that, the one question knows no more than the questioner. Then the man said to him again, فأخبرني عن أماراتها. Well, inform me about its signs. Then the Prophet said, أن تلد الأمة ربتها. One of the first signs is that the slave girl will begin to give birth to her mistress, and that you will see the barefooted ones, the naked and the destitute, the herdsmen of the sheep, in raising lofty buildings. They will be competing with each other in raising lofty buildings. Then the man went off. So the narrator of the hadith said, I waited a while, and the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, O Umar, do you know who that questioner was? Then Umar said, I replied, Allah and His Messenger know better. He said that his Prophet replied Umar back and said to him, that was Jibril. He came to teach you your religion. This hadith is collected by Muslim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.